Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix iPhone 15 NFC not working in 2026. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to check NFC usage properly. Now, many users think that NFC is not working, but actually it's about how iPhone uses it. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are using NFC with Apple Pay or with Apple Wallet or with any other supported application. You need to bring the top back of your iPhone close to the reader, then hold it steady for a few seconds. Do not move it quickly. Now iPhone NFC works automatically and there is no manual toggle for it. Now you can try our second fix if the issue still persists. In it, you need to simply restart your iPhone. So NFC can stop working due to a background system bug. So a quick restart is going to basically fix the problem. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the side button and the volume button. After that, slide the power off, then wait for 20 to 30 seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. If NFC is not working for the payments, the issue may be with the wallet setup. So in order to fix it, you just have to open the settings of your iPhone. In your settings, go to the option of wallet and Apple Pay. So when you inside the wallet and the Apple Pay option, you just have to make sure that at least one card is added and active here. You can check the Face ID and the passcode whether it is enabled. You can try re-adding your card if you are facing any problem. So you can try these easy fixes and see if iPhone 15 NFC is working again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.